Hi, today I've prepared a simple and accessible guide to the cryptocurrency exchange WhiteBIT. This material is created specifically for those who are just starting to explore crypto and want to understand where to begin. We'll cover all the key points, from registration and funding your account to securing your funds and exploring the interesting features the platform offers. And of course, I have a nice bonus for you. Click on my referral link in the description and receive up to 6,200 USDT after registration. Referral code CP6969. So let's not waste time, let's dive in together. What is WhiteBIT? WhiteBIT is a cryptocurrency exchange that has established itself as one of the most stable and user-friendly in the world. It is perfect for both beginners and experienced traders. Here, you can simply exchange tokens, trade futures, and even earn passive income. The exchange is actively developing. Over 2 million users from 190 countries, more than 400 trading pairs, offices around the world, from Portugal to Australia. What makes WhiteBIT stand out? WhiteBIT offers features that are hard to find on other platforms, staking with yields up to 30% per year. Demo tokens, ideal for practice without risk. A unique goal of making crypto accessible to everyone, and they are truly working towards this. Registration on WhiteBIT. Your start in the crypto world. If you're just starting to learn about crypto, registering on WhiteBIT is the perfect first step. The process is incredibly simple and takes just a couple of minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide. Go to WhiteBIT using my referral link. Find it in the description. In the upper right corner of the website, click Register. A form will open for you to fill out. Enter your email and create a strong password. Be sure to write it down so you don't forget it. In the special field, enter my code CP6969. This will activate the bonus of up to 6,200 USDT for new users. It's beneficial for both me and you. Check the box confirming that you agree to the rules. It's also important to note that you are not from Russia or Belarus. This is a requirement of the platform. Click Continue. An email will arrive with a code. Copy the 6 digits and enter them on the website. After confirmation, you will be redirected to your personal account. Enter your email and password, and that's it. You're in. Verification, a step towards full functionality. On WhiteBIT, verification, KYC, is not mandatory, but I highly recommend completing it. Why? Because it unlocks access to all the exchange's features. Withdrawal limits of up to 100 BTC per day, working with fiat currencies, dollars, and others. How to complete KYC. Fill out the questionnaire. Upload a photo of your passport or ID. Take a selfie with the document and a piece of paper that says WhiteBIT.com plus date. Wait for confirmation. It usually takes up to 24 hours. Now imagine that all of this could be even easier. When there's a space where every day the intricacies of crypto are discussed, trading signals are shared, and live streams with coin analysis are held, learning becomes enjoyable. That's exactly the kind of place our Telegram channel has become. It's your support point in the world of cryptocurrencies. There, you'll find assistance, useful materials, and real cases that will help you navigate the flood of information. The link is already waiting for you in the description. Just check it out. You'll see how much easier your crypto journey becomes when you're not alone. The next important step, security. After completing verification, it's crucial to secure your account. Many newcomers skip this step and then face unpleasant issues. Don't repeat their mistakes. Here's how to do it right. Install Google Authenticator. Download the app on your smartphone. It's available in the App Store and Google Play. Activate two-factor authentication, 2FA. Go to the security settings on WhiteBIT and enable 2FA. Scan the QR code. A code will open. Scan it using Google Authenticator. The app will start generating a 6-digit code that updates every 15 seconds. Use the code when logging in and withdrawing funds. Every time you log into the exchange or withdraw money, enter the current code from the app. This truly protects against hacking. Even if someone learns your password, they won't be able to log in without access to your phone. Just don't forget to save your backup access to Google Authenticator, otherwise recovery might be complicated. Deposits and withdrawals. WhiteBIT supports deposits and withdrawals in both cryptocurrency and fiat, dollars, euros, and others. Here's how it works. Depositing cryptocurrency. Go to the wallet section and click deposit. Select the desired coin, for example, USDT, and the network. I recommend TRC20, which has a fee of only 30 cents. Copy the address or scan the QR code, then transfer the funds from another wallet or exchange. Withdrawing funds. Click withdraw and choose the coin or currency. Specify the wallet address or card number, the amount, and confirm the operation via 2FA. Always check the selected network, for example TRC20. An error in the network may lead to loss of funds without the possibility of recovery. Trading on WhiteBIT, the key to active earnings. If you want to not just hold cryptocurrency but earn from it, trading on WhiteBIT will be your main tool. The platform offers two primary formats, spot trading and futures. Let's break each down step by step. Spot trading involves buying or selling cryptocurrency at the current market price. WhiteBIT makes everything extremely simple. Transfer funds to trading wallet. After funding your main wallet, transfer the desired amount to your trading wallet. In the wallet section, select the main tab, choose the coin, like USDT, click transfer and specify the amount. Proceed to trading. Open the trading section. A chart and a list of trading pairs will appear. WhiteBIT supports over 250 cryptocurrencies and 400 pairs, for example, BTC USDT. Choose the order type. Market order. Instant buy sell at the current price. Just specify the amount and click buy or sell. Limit order. You set the price yourself. For example, if you want to buy BTC at 80,000 USDT, enter the price, amount, and wait for the order to execute. Confirm the transaction. Once the order is executed, the crypto will appear in your trading balance. You can view all details in the transaction history tab. Commission. The standard commission is 0.1% of the transaction amount. WBT token holders can receive discounts of up to 100% depending on the number of tokens. Demo mode for spot trading. WhiteBIT offers demo tokens, virtual assets for practice. In the trading section, enable demo mode and try trading without risk. It's a great way to get comfortable. Futures trading allows allows you to earn from price fluctuations using leverage. Here's how it works. Preparing your balance. Transfer funds to the collateral wallet from your main or trading wallet. Choose a coin like USDT, click Transfer, specify the amount. This is your deposit. Futures interface. In the menu, select Trading, Futures. A chart will open, for example, BTC USDT perpetual contract. Leverage. WhiteBIT offers leverage up to 20x. This means 100 USDT becomes 2000 USDT in trading power. Choose wisely. 3x, 5x is suitable for starting out. Order types. Stop market. Order activates when the stop price is reached and executes at market price. Stop limit combines stop and limit. You set two prices and the order executes at your price. Conditional, an advanced type that reacts to another trading pair. It's best to save this for later. Opening a position. Click buy, long if you expect a rise, or sell, short if you expect a drop. Watch the chart and close manually or set a stop limit. Commission. Futures commissions are lower than spot commissions, a nice bonus for active traders. Demo mode for futures. Just like with spot trading, you can test futures without risk. In the futures section, enable demo mode and practice in a comfortable environment. Tips for beginners. Start with 50, 100 USDT and try market orders. Don't use high leverage, 3x, 5x is enough. Analyze your trades in the balance history. Not sure? Practice on demo. It's free and safe. That's how, step by step, you can master trading on WhiteBIT. Start with spot trading, gain confidence, and then move on to futures. Everything is in your hands. Smart staking, passive income on WhiteBIT. Smart staking is a simple way to make your cryptocurrency work for you. You deposit coins and in return you earn interest, up to 30% per year. How to start? Go to the WhiteBIT website or mobile app. In the menu, find the Smart Staking section. A page with available rates will open. Choosing a staking plan, you'll see a list of over 40 cryptocurrencies from USDT, BTC, ETH to Doge and others. Each asset has its own conditions. Terms ranging from 10 to 360 days. Rates. For example, 18.64% per year or 1% per month on USDT. For example, if you choose a 30-day plan with a deposit of 2000 USDT, that will yield you about $21 in profit. How to make a deposit. To participate in staking, the crypto must be in your main wallet. If you don't have funds, top up your balance. Detailed instructions were above. Choose the desired plan, enter the amount. For example, 2000 USDT for 10 days will yield about $5. The minimum deposit is 50 USDT and the maximum is 600,000 USDT. Check the limits and click deposit. Waiting and withdrawal. After activation, the funds are locked for the duration of the plan. A timer is started, for example, 30 days. Once the term is completed, the crypto and the accrued interest are automatically returned to your main wallet. If you change your mind, you can close the plan early. In the active plan section, find the one you need. Click close. The funds will return, but no interest will be accrued, only the principal amount. WhiteBIT Token, WBT, your key to privileges. WBT is the exchange's native token, launched in August 2022. It sold out in 15 minutes, and its market capitalization reached $500 million. How to buy? Go to the trading section and select the WBT USDT pair. Fund your trading wallet, set a market order, and purchase the desired amount. You can also participate in launch pads and launch pools if they are available. Benefits. Simply hold WBT in your main wallet and you will receive discounts on fees from 5% to 100%, increased rates in smart staking. Automatic application of bonuses, no additional setup required. Storing the token. WBT is an ERC20 standard token and it can be withdrawn to an external wallet such as MetaMask. However, if you want to earn bonuses, it's better to leave it on WhiteBIT. WhitePay, crypto in real life. WhitePay is a bridge between digital assets and offline purchases. Pay with cryptocurrency in stores, exchange it for fiat, everything is simple and convenient. How to start? Visit the WhitePay website, link in the description, or open the WhiteBIT app for more details. Funding your wallet. To make a payment, you need crypto in your main wallet. If your balance is empty, top it up as we discussed earlier. Payment in a store. Choose a product in a partner store. Inform the cashier that you want to pay with cryptocurrency. Receive a QR code via the WhitePay POS terminal. Scan it through the WhiteBIT app. Select the coin, like BTC, and confirm the payment. The entire process takes just a few seconds and you pay for purchases with crypto that you earned from trading or staking. Additional features. WhitePay also offers crypto donations, acquiring for businesses. If you are an entrepreneur, contact WhiteBIT support through the website to enable crypto payments. Imagine, you buy equipment with crypto that you earned on the exchange. Convenient? Absolutely. But this is just the beginning. WhiteBIT offers much more. Passive income, instant transfers, unique earning tools, and I cover all of this in detail in our Telegram channel. There, you'll find real cases, fresh tips, security advice, and how to avoid pitfalls. The link is in the description. Join us and discover the full potential of crypto. WhiteBIT codes, instant transfers without fees. WhiteBIT codes is a quick way to transfer crypto between WhiteBIT accounts. Here's how it works. Creating a code. Go to the Wallet, WhiteBIT codes section. Choose a coin, like USDT. Enter the amount and click Create Code. Optionally, add a security password. Transfer. Copy the unique code you received and send it to your friend via Messenger, email, or any convenient method. Activation. Your friend opens the same section, clicks Activate, pastes the code, and enters the password if set. The funds are instantly credited to their main wallet, without fees or delays. Verification. You see the deduction and the recipient sees the credit. Everything operates through the exchange's hot wallet, so the transfer is instant. WhiteBIT mobile application. If you want to manage your cryptocurrency quickly and conveniently, the WhiteBIT app is perfect for you. Download it from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. It's available on both platforms. Logging into your account. Enter your email and password for WhiteBIT. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which I strongly recommended earlier, simply scan the code using Google Authenticator. What's available in the app? All the key features of the exchange, right on your phone. Wallet funding, USDT, euros, and other currencies. Trading spot and futures. Smart staking. You can choose and activate plans directly in the app. Transfers via WhiteBIT codes. Quick and fee-free. User-friendly interface. Everything in just a few clicks. And if you have an Apple Watch, the app will show the price of Bitcoin right on your watch screen. Convenient, right? That's it, friends. We've covered the entire scope of WhiteBIT's features, from staking and trading to the mobile app and WBT token. This exchange truly provides newcomers with everything they need. Simple tools, high interest rates, the ability to pay for purchases with crypto. Click on my link in the description, register, test the platform, and start earning today.